So figuring out what their vision is for their life and letting them do it, the way that you let them have it is by giving them an opportunity to do a show about it. So your actress, you think she might be able to put on a play for 5 minutes? Okay, your sculptor, you think he might be able to design something made of clay? Is it going to be something boring, or is it going to be something probably amazing? How many of you ever seen like America's Got Talent or any of those like shows? Ever seen like the sand art? Have you seen that? It's just sand. And then somebody comes, they play music, and all do this and that, blah, blah, and everyone's crying because it's like the message. I mean, it's insane what people can do. So give your kids, find out what their vision is for their life and let them do it for like 5 minutes a day. Because I'm guessing that the kids that display the challenging behaviors, probably you're spending more than 5 minutes a day with them anyway. Would you say? 8 minutes? 10? 15? 20? Stop it, stop it, stop it. If you don't, I'm serious, stop it. Don't. If you don't, then I'm going to give you a consequence and I can't follow through and I hope you don't test me. Don't do that. I'm going to call so-and-so. What's her number? Oh, you got me on that one. I mean, literally, it's... So you give them an opportunity to put on a show. And you do it for 5 minutes or so, every day, every other day. And where I got this idea, I listened to an interview that Adam Sandler did about 8 years ago, where he's talking about his high school class. And he's just cracking jokes. He's the class clown. And his teacher told him, I can't have this happen. But you need this class to graduate. So Monday through Thursday, if you can figure out a way how to not disrupt my class, on Friday at the end, the last 15 minutes are yours for comedy. Do whatever you want. For him? Yeah. He literally, he would spend 4 days coming up with materials and writing sketches. You know, the stuff that people on Saturday Night Live do before they make it, you know, the Will Ferrells and the Kate McKinnons and who? And the Adam Sandlers. Yeah, oh yeah, duh. I mean, that's right? I mean, how many teachers would show them, this is what I'm going to do in my life. I'm going to take a guitar and go, and I'm going to get paid millions of dollars for it. There's people going, that's disgusting. Why don't you consider banker? So are you thinking about your vision for your kids and what they can do?